Bumper gala, why you putting near me? Big bumper gala, why you putting near me? Sexy gala, why you putting near me? Put it on me, baby. Looking deep in your eyes.
Yogurt down here, the one for 189. Get my water from here too. Normally they're like 229. What's the cherries? What? Cherries are 199 a pound? No sir. Something is luxury. Clean out of strawberries. I don't even have no strawberries. The strawberries are being good price too, 189. I'll have to check Walmart. Still don't have any more here. The mangoes is 89 cents. So I'll give me some of those. I'll get some zucchini. Zucchini is 169. Almond milk or coconut milk. Not sure which one yet. Let's see. I got coconut milk this time. No, you can't come to Walmart without going through the Hispanic aisle now. The chicken that I eat. Dangerous aisle in Walmart. No ice cream for me. Get some fruit bars for when I have a sweet kick. Y'all ever tried these like Mexican bars? These bars are bomb. Like bomb. Tastes so good. So I just came back from Aldi's and Walmart and I just picked up a little bit of stuff because I already have some more stuff in the refrigerator already. I'm trying to start eating healthier, doing better, you know, making better choices. Concerning the chicken, this is the chicken that I like to get, the Tyson grilled and ready chicken breast fillets. These are really good. If you're trying to make them baked or cut them up or whatever, put them in your salads or to have them as a side for your veggies. I needed another salad dressing, so I just got this one from Aldi's, this Tuscan Garden Thousand Island, and then I needed a vinegar to soak my fish, unsweetened applesauce. Yeah, this one is non-GMO. One cranberry apple, doesn't have the high fructose corn syrup. And for my salads, sometimes when I want to switch it up from like shrimps and chicken, I like this one. This one I bought at Aldi's too. Northern Catch, zesty lemon pepper chunk like tuna. Man, that is bomb to put like on top of your salad. This thing of watermelon chunks, and I got it on sale. It was like $1.63. I got some bananas. I got the bananas from Aldi's because it was still a good price too. I think it was like 39 or 49 cents for a pound and for 89 cents. So they're not too like green, but they're not ripe either. Like in the next 2 days they should be great. Try it out, you know, just to see what it tastes like. It's 6 fruit bars, you know, coconut water, real fruit with pineapple. So I'll try it out, let you guys know the verdict. And with my meals, I have this week I bought some zucchini. I like zucchini. And then I have avocados. They were on sale at Aldi's this week for 79 cents. And then I have 2 broccoli crowns over here. They're like $1 and change. And then y'all seen this yogurt already. The vanilla fit and active yogurt. It's like $1.89. And I got this from Walmart. The coconut. This week I got coconut milk, non-GMO. And then I got a pack of fish between tilapia and salmon. So I got this. And then I saw this at Aldi's. This is their turkey bacon. This was like $1 and I think 69 cents or $1.65. So really good price. Hopefully it's as good as the Butterball or whatever. Even though I love Butterball. We'll see. Got this berry medley made with strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Chocolate brand, pineapple, mango, strawberries, and papaya. I do get my water from Aldi's too. I've tried so many different kinds of waters like Dasani, Aquafina, Fiji, Smart Water, Great Value Water, Nestle, Zephyr Hills. I've tried a lot of different brands, but the Aldi brand water, and it's BPA free, you know, and it's purified water. It just tastes better too. And you know, I asked my brother and Shakim, you know, who's like my little brother too. I asked them, I was like, you know, what kind of water you like? They like wanted to buy this one, so y'all should try this out. You know, it was like $2.29 or so in Aldi's this week. So as you can see, I like to put everything up top, you know, all my waters, juices, milks. And then down the bottom I have my cheese, my yogurt, some fruits, my butters, eggs, you know, the bacon. And normally I would keep my lettuce and my zucchini. And there's some apples. I'm going to put the broccoli in here. Here I have cheese, some meats, some condiments, and down there I keep the waters. Oh, that's what happens when you don't keep the fridge open too long. It'll start beeping like a mad person. In the freezer, just to keep my meats up top. These is for the boys. The little drinks, you know, when I want to be a little happy there, you know. Give me a little Jamaican smile, little drinks there. And then this is where I put my fruit bars, and then there's some hot dogs. I have a fruit bowl, so I put my avocados, mangoes, and the bananas in here.